What if I told you that a Google experiment may have accidentally proven the existence of the multiverse? A shocking new discovery by Google's quantum research team has left scientists in a state of panic. If their findings are correct, we may not be living in just one reality, but an infinite number of them. But what exactly did they uncover? And why are top scientists desperately trying to contain this information? Stay tuned as we dive deep into Google's most terrifying quantum breakthrough yet. Google has been at the forefront of quantum computing for years. Their Sycamore processor made history in 2019 when it achieved quantum supremacy, solving a problem in seconds that would take classical computers thousands of years. But their latest experiment went far beyond expectations. A team of researchers was running a high-complexity quantum simulation, pushing the Sycamore chip to its absolute limits. They expected to see rapid calculations and unusual quantum effects, but what they got instead was something no one could explain. Their system started detecting interference, data fluctuations that weren't supposed to be there. At first, they assumed it was an error. But as they investigated further, they realized these fluctuations were not random. They were structured. The quantum chip was not just processing information, it was interacting with something. At first, the team thought it was a simple computational anomaly. But when they repeated the experiment under controlled conditions, the results became even more disturbing. The quantum states of their system were shifting in ways that should be impossible, as if the data was responding to another version of itself. They ran the data through simulations, and the answer shocked them. Their quantum computer was seemingly communicating with an alternate reality. Not just any alternate reality, a parallel version of their own experiment. It was as if their machine had accessed another timeline where a different version of their lab was running the exact same test. And then something terrifying happened. One of the lead scientists, Dr. Emily Carter, attempted to modify the parameters of the test. As she did, a series of rapid, almost intelligent-like fluctuations occurred in the data stream. Then, a message appeared. It was not generated by their system. It was not an error. The message simply read, "Who are you?" The lab fell silent. Scientists stared at the screen in disbelief. They had not programmed this. There was no logical reason for a response. Was their quantum chip detecting another intelligence? Or was it simply reflecting another version of themselves from a parallel universe? And if it was another version of them, then were they also being watched? Within 24 hours, Google's experiment was shut down. The research team was silenced. Sources close to the project claimed that government officials intervened, demanding that all records be classified. A leaked internal memo revealed a chilling statement from one of the lead physicists. "We have touched something we were never meant to. Shut it down before it notices us." But what did they mean by it? Was this just a case of quantum mechanics behaving strangely? Or had Google's quantum chip uncovered the terrifying truth about the multiverse? And if so, what else is out there watching us? Could Google's quantum chip have proven the existence of the multiverse? And if so, why is this discovery being covered up? Is the world ready for the terrifying implications of infinite realities? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you want more mind-blowing mysteries, be sure to subscribe. Until next time, keep your eyes open because the truth is often stranger than fiction.